You have many mating processes of electric connectors in your factories. Can you accept a small mistake? Your answer might be no. Then, let us focus on your connector mating. We knew what you want to do about it. No more mistakes, which have big impacts on your assembling processes. No more wasting human resources on recheck. We suggest you make connectors with our sensing. We, Elecom, developed sound sensor system for your connector mating. Let us suggest you say, mistakes to make connectors are gone. You can catch your own sounds to make connectors in your noisy factory with our sound sensor system. The wearable sensor device is good for your activities. You can analyze such sound data which our system counts. Using wireless network like Bluetooth, it is good for your quality control. You must choose Elecom's sound sensor system for your connector mating. Let us suggest you say, mistakes to make connectors are gone. We are offering business solutions for your own. Elecom.